Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome back if you've been here before. As you can tell from the title, I am doing a small fabric haul. This is the new fabric I got in for scrunchies that will be coming up. So I just want to show you guys what the fabric looks like for make those scrunchies. Anyway, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like the video if you liked it. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. And let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna first, my neck really hurts, so if you see me moving like very stiffly, it's because my neck hurts. So I'm gonna first show you the fabric I got from Fabricom. I don't know why I still have it in the bag, but I do. And I'm gonna keep my stickers just so I can remember the fabric that I ordered. So this is called this is a satin charmeuse, and it's just red, so that's really pretty. I love satin, guys. I just absolutely love satin. And I will be making different sizes of the scrunchies too. I'm gonna have for now 2 different sizes, but I'm thinking I want to also make a 3rd size for like smaller kids, but we'll see. We'll see, girl. We'll see. Here is peach. All of this is satin charmeuse. So we got peach. Hey, peach. And then we have this brown. It's more like a chocolate brown, they call it. I don't know. They just have the serial number for the color. And again, I want to apologize. This is the 2nd video that I've done in this day. So I'm using natural light. I'm not using my studio light right now. So I got this brown. It's like a chocolate brown. I have no idea how bad my neck hurts right now. I always have something going on. It's ridiculous. Okay, so these two kind of look the same. So I don't know how I'm going to play this one. I may use one over the other, but we'll see. So one is taupe and one is champagne. So I'm going to show you both of them to see if maybe you can tell the difference. Okay, so this is the taupe. Can you tell? Can you see it? Because I can't. And then this one I'm about to show you is the champagne. So this is champagne. I could tell the quality is different. This is a little firmer, whereas this one is more silky. But can you tell the difference? I mean, it's a slight difference, but can you really? I can't really tell. But anyway, I got taupe and champagne. Get in there! And then this one is mauve, I believe. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I'll put it up on the screen, but I believe this one is mauve. It's so pretty. I can't wait to make a scrunchie out of this one. It's so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And just going to be perfect for like spring. Actually, this would be a cute fall color also if I paired it with something else, but this is going to be for spring. I know, it's only February, Nika. Why are you making spring stuff? Because y'all know how long it takes me to make stuff. Okay, so all this came, again, from Fabric.com. So I am about to show you what I got from this place called Fabricville. It's in Canada. So I only got a few things from them, but they were having like this huge sale of it was buy one, get 2 free. You can't pass up on that. So it's like buy 1 yard, get 2 yards free. And that's what I did. And it's called Fabricville, and it's in Canada, guys. So it came fairly quickly, you know, not as quickly as I would have wanted, but from the time that they actually shipped it to the time I received it was fast. It just took a little bit longer to process, but I'm thinking that's because they had a huge sale. It wasn't just on yards of fabric, but they had a sale on bolts and stuff too. So I'm thinking that's why it took so long to ship out. But once it shipped, from the shipping to getting to me was fairly quick. So this one is I don't know what print this is, but it's a print. I don't know if it's cheetah, leopard, I guess. But I like the feel of this. This feels really nice. And this would be good as like a scarf and a scrunchie. But I'm not doing scarves, so don't be asking me to make scarves. I'm only doing scrunchies. But yeah, that's that. And I got yellow. Now let me tell you about me and yellow. I normally don't do yellow. It's just something I don't do. And I bought this yellow dress one time. It was like a bright yellow, but it looked really nice on me, and I was like, oh, why don't I buy yellow any other time? But when I opened this up and I saw this yellow, I was so impressed with it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Check this out, right? It's so cute. Can you see that? I actually like this yellow. Like I said, I don't really do yellow, but I'm really liking this yellow. So that's that. And then I have this black, and this is really, really silky. I actually think this one is silk by the looks of it. I think it is silk, but it's black. And now I do have a black satin charmeuse, but it doesn't look like this, and it doesn't feel like this, and this feels amazing. So this one may be part of my larger size, but I think I just had a great idea. You guys just gave me a great idea. Not even speaking. You didn't even say nothing. You gave me an idea. And this is lace. And this is more like a, the feel of it is more like a doily lace, or like a curtain lace. So it's a little bit more firmer than the lace that I normally buy. I normally buy like lingerie lace. So it's very, very delicate, very silky. This has a nice feel to it. And for a scrunchie, I think it's the perfect firmness for that. But I'm gonna show you guys the pattern of it. So that's pretty nice, and I actually like this. I got a lot of it. But yeah, so that is it for my small fabric haul. Normally I do hold on, I wasn't done with my Fabricom haul. How about that? Because I just remembered that I was looking for something and I didn't remember seeing it, and I left two things of fabric in my Fabricom bag. So this is a floral print, and this one was on sale. So this won't be a signature scrunchie in my shop because this was on sale and it's like a discontinued one. But I wanted to see how this would look on a scrunchie. I think it's really pretty. It has like a pinkish peaches undertone to it, so I can pair this with something else if I sell it in like a duo or a trio. But yeah, this I'm gonna have to do this. And the best thing about scrunchies, guys, is you can make a scrunchie out of pretty much any fabric. I like the satin only because it's like better on your hair than most fabrics, so that's why I'm doing a lot of satin scrunchies to protect your hair. I'm thinking about you. I am thinking about you. And this is mint. Now I have a fabric downstairs. It's a floral fabric that I will be pairing with this, and I can't wait. I don't know if I'm going to delay the release of this scrunchie until like April or May, because this is more like really spring, like Eastery, I think. I don't know. We'll just see. I'm just gonna make them, and then when I release them is when I release them. But you guys who are watching this video have first-hand knowledge of the different scrunchies that will be coming out in the future. Okay, so I'm a little bit crazy today just because I'm partly feeling better than I was earlier this week. If some of you who are already following me, you know that I have my last round of chemo. I have my last round of chemo, and I'm so excited, and I just can't wait to get my scans. So I'm praying that those scans say that cancer is all gone, and I will still be dealing with the after effects, and my immune system will still be weak, which it is already because I already have pre-existing health conditions. But I'm so excited to be done with chemo. You have no idea. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a like. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, if you want to see those other items I have coming in from Amazon and some other suppliers that I ordered from, just make sure you're following me on Instagram and TikTok, because I will post them on my Insta stories and my TikTok. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.